Nigeria, civil society is the force that pioneers and sustains initiatives and actions that promotes, protects, and fulfills human rights. From legal actions to advocacy, research and humanitarian interventions, Nigerian civil society groups have shown dexterity and pioneering spirits, even in the harshest environments. Today, we have litanies of legislation such as the Freedom of Information Act, the Child Rights Act, and the Persons with Disabilities Act, which are the sole achievements of civil society organizations in Nigeria. The growth of civil society human rights work has been matched to a great extent with the strengthening of the mandate of the National Human Rights Commission. The independence of the Commission has been strengthened, and so is its funding structure, protective mandate, and quasi-judicial powers. Today, we are at the junction of democratic consolidation, which calls for all hands to be on the deck and resources pooled together to advance a human rights-centered approach to governance and development in Nigeria. This forum, which we are pioneering today, is a huge step in this direction. Madam Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, please permit me to take you through the structure and the expected outcomes for this forum. The Forum on Civil Liberties and Rule of Law is organized in partnership with Partners West Africa Nigeria, P1, and will explore recent developments, including best practices in the field of civil and political rights, institutions and mechanisms in the intersection of civil liberties, civic space, access to justice, and the rule of law in Nigeria. Critical sub-themes such as police reforms, security sector oversight and accountability mechanisms will also be examined. This forum and others will set the stage for formation of communities of practice to continue to engage and provide platforms for stakeholders and practitioners in these fields. The Forum on Elections and Governance is organized in partnership with the Transition Monitoring Group and Civil Society Legislative Advocacy Center, CISLAC. It will provide platforms to discuss perspectives on free, fair, and participatory elections as vehicles to enthrone effective and accountable governance that will advance human rights and inclusive development. The forum will examine current state of affairs in electoral participation, inclusivity, and credibility. It will further profile recommendations in strengthening the electoral and governance processes and frameworks in Nigeria to guarantee public accountability and human rights.